That's where I went to go get when I told you I was gonna go to the barber supply store. All right, guys, brand new shaver. We got the Andis, the reSURGE shaver. I know I normally do like the unboxing thing, but I'm gonna use it first, and then we're gonna act like I didn't unbox it, and then go back and unbox it. But nonetheless, put this to use real quick. How does the shaver feel?
It feels good.
Feels different than my other, like
It does feel different than the other one. Like I feel like there's more of a guard on me.
On this one?
Yeah.
All right, guys, check it out. So right here, I got that new Andis shaver. This is the Andis reSURGE shaver. So I am gonna be doing an unboxing on this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I already opened it yesterday. I did one haircut with it, but I put it back in the box. I was supposed to go home and do an unboxing at the house, but I got busy, so I'm doing it right now that I can have a little bit of time. But let's go ahead and get into what's in this box, what it comes with and everything. First, let's go ahead and look at this box. So check it out. So I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, this is a super nice box. I think it looks really, really dope. Let me see if I can get it to zoom on it, there, to focus. So this is the box right here. You know what I'm saying? The box looks, it's a nice looking box. It's legit. So I'm gonna go ahead and read some of the stuff on it. Easy pivot head, wet dry shave, long hair trimmer. Let's see what the back says. Basically same thing. So the easy pivot head adjusts to hug and contour the face or head. You know, wet dry shave, smooth gliding, easy cleaning, long hair trimmer, save times on pre-shave trims. So what that means to me is you can actually shave with this with longer hair. I haven't tried it with longer hair yet, but I might try it today. But yeah, that's basically what the box says. Let's go ahead and unbox this for y'all. Gotta be careful, I don't wanna drop nothing. So check it out. This is the box. Inside the box says create your way. You know, it's got the new Andis logo on it. Even the box, inside the box is pretty dope. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I didn't like the way they did this because the first time I opened it, I actually almost dropped it. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and open this for y'all. You wanna be careful. And that's basically how it came. Alright, so as y'all can see, it comes with the shaver right here. And I'm not gonna lie, I really like the way this shaver looks. Kind of reminds me of the Braun, but a little easier on the eyes. It's not as bulky as the Braun is. So it's lightweight also, but I like the way it looks. But let's go ahead and put this to the side for right now. And then they also give you, you know, some stickers, you know, business card, or I don't know, it's just a little thank you card type deal. A hey creator card. And we got some more stickers right here. You know, they loaded you up with some stickers. We got this in here. I ain't gonna read all that. Let's throw that to the side. So I actually haven't even opened this. Like I'm not gonna lie, guys. I ain't even charged this yet. I probably should have charged it, but you know, whatever. All right, so we're gonna open this up now. So here is the charging adapter for it. Look, we got something else in there. I don't want to come out though. We got a little brush that I'm probably never gonna use. We got the instruction manual that I'm never gonna use. But yeah, guys, that's basically what comes in the Andis reSURGE shaver box. So once again, I don't even know where I put this thing at. There it goes. All right, so once again, here is the Andis reSURGE shaver. Y'all take a closer look at that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this design down in the comments, guys. Like I said, I really like it. We're gonna put it to use. But let's take this top off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for y'all. Go ahead and try. I have not pre-shaved. I do need a shave. So I'm gonna see if this cuts this hair that I have on me right now. So I don't feel any irritation at all. I'm not like a really hairy person, but it feels like it's working pretty good. So it does feel really smooth. It shaved it down pretty good. I mean, it left a little bit of hair, but some of it was really long. But other than that, it worked pretty good. I'm actually impressed with it so far. But yeah, it works pretty good so far. Like I said, guys, I'm not a really hairy person, but it took down all the hair. Left a little bit of hair down here, but I could just go over it a couple more times and it'll get it down. But yeah, this thing works really good. We're gonna see if it's commercial grade or if it's just for home use. So I'm gonna put it to the test today for the rest of the week. And y'all know how I'm gonna do it, guys. In this video, I am gonna give y'all my initial thoughts and what I think about this today or after today. And then later on in the week or next week, I'll give y'all a full review on it. I kind of want to try this on my head and see how good it works. As y'all can tell, your boy needs to shave. So I'm going to use this and see how good it works. Let's get it. So it's cutting down pretty good. I don't feel like it's struggling at all. Sometimes when you like shave hair that's longer than like trimmer length, it tends to like irritate or pull or feel like it's struggling. And so far I haven't felt that yet. Now, it's not as smooth, and when I say smooth, like as short as some of the other shavers get it. But I mean, it's working really good, especially since I haven't like pre-cut this hair at all. So that's actually really surprising to me. But I'm impressed. I'm impressed, Andis. I am impressed. Alright guys, so I did use this shaver for today, and I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all, man. Like I'm actually I'm actually impressed with the way it works. You know what I'm saying? I didn't think I was gonna like it when I first seen it on the internet. I was like, it looks cool, but to me, it really looks like the Braun Series 9, just a different, just with some tweaks on it. But I was actually impressed with how it cut. Now, if y'all saw in the video earlier, I shaved my head with it, and I didn't trim it down. So I hadn't cut my hair since like Saturday, you know what I'm saying? And it cut it down. It did take a good amount of time, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to say it took forever, but it cut it down, and it didn't feel like it was scraping my head. It didn't feel like it was pulling the hair. So it was actually pretty impressive that I got all that down without me having to trim the hair down. Now, is this practical? Am I going to go around shaving my clients when they don't trim their hair down, or when I don't trim their hair down? Probably not, because let's be honest, guys. When we use a shaver on a client, 9 times out of 10, we use a trimmer or a balding clipper or whatever. So I'm not really sure if that's practical or not, but it is pretty cool that they can get the job done. Now, when it came to just balding out clients and seeing how it worked when it came to cutting hair, it did cut the hair smooth. Most of my clients said that it felt really smooth, but I did feel that I had to go over the spot a couple times before moving on. Compared to different shavers, especially like the Babyliss FX3, I feel that that shaver is a little stronger, and I feel that that literally gets the hair down to razor in one swipe. And in my opinion, I feel that the FX3 cuts just like a smidget of her hair balder than this one does. Now, am I saying this is a bad shaver? I'm not, because like I said, guys, I really like the way it fits in your hand. Like, the ergonomics of this is crazy. Like, I really liked what they did with it, you know what I'm saying? When I took it out the box, I thought it was going to be bigger, but the fact that it's a lot smaller is pretty cool, because I feel that it fits in my hand better, and it works good, you know what I'm saying? As far as battery life on it, it hasn't died on me yet, so I can't give y'all a good indicator of how long this is going to last. I'm pretty sure it's going to last me about a week or so. Most of the times my shavers tend to last me a long time, because you're not using a shaver for a lot of the time while you're cutting hair. But honestly, guys, as of right now, I'm pretty impressed with this shaver, you know what I'm saying? It shaves pretty good. I feel that it doesn't leave any irritation. My client said that it really felt smooth, and just right now, I think it's a pretty decent shaver, guys. Obviously, I'm going to give this some more work. I'm going to continue to use it for the rest of the week, and then I will be giving y'all a detailed review later on at a different date, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, that's basically all I got to say about this shaver. It's a pretty cool shaver. I like that it's got the new logo on it. You know, it's pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, guys, that's basically it for this video. So if you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.